Engineers, like most professions, need the most accurate information when trying to run an experiment or run statistical calculations on a particular subject. Randomized block experiments help engineers lower the percent error on designs while providing a more accurate information which will aid the engineer's decisions. This also helps the engineer by slowly showing what variable may have impacted the results. The first thing that happens is the experimenter divides the subjects into groups called blocks. The block groups based on whatever the engineer would like in order to observe variations in results. Then the subjects inside each experimental group are randomly assigned to the treatment conditions. One example an engineer might utilize randomized block experiments is by trying to test defects for a toy company. The toy manufacturer wants to decrease the defects in order to increase profits. The manufacturer wants to get rid of certain parts if it is defecting more often. The engineer would separate the toys into blocks. For this example, the engineer separates the toys by parts and removes all the other parts. Then the test subjects inside the blocks randomly in order to see which part is defecting the most. Also, the engineer could separate the toys into various sizes and see if the size of the toy affects anything. The experimenter can separate the subjects into whatever categories in order to obtain the most information. Another way that an engineer could use the randomized block experiment is to separate farms when testing them. This allows the experimenter to neutralize the differences in the soil, environment, ecosystem, etc. This makes the experiment much more accurate. In conclusion, the randomized block experiment design is just another way for people to increase the accuracy of their results while gathering information about the subjects in question.